Hi everyone, this is Brendan. It's been a long time I uploaded a useful video. It's been a busy last 2.5 years, publishing a couple of books and moving to another role in another organization. I have been asked to draw a Visio diagram over around 1,000 remote sites for my organization. I thought it would be very valuable to share this information with everyone. I'm going to show you how to add 1000 remote site on a Visio diagram using Excel spreadsheet and Python. Here I have an Excel spreadsheet containing the population and the 50 US state, which I'll be using a Python script to create around 838 sites, not quite 1,000, but to be plotted on a Visio diagram. So this is a random site data creation tool that I created using Python. Once I run this, it will use the 50 state and the population of each state, and depending on the size of the population, it will add X number of remote sites. Okay, so let me quickly run create random site data1.py file, and then this will create my random site demo site. So here I'm opening up the newly created remote site containing dummy IP addresses, site numbers, the site code, and dummy addresses and zip code as well, and the router name to represent each site. So it's a 839 but -1, so it's 838 sites it created based on the population of each state. I'm gonna quickly move it to the parent folder so I can actually run the main script. Okay, let's actually open it in Visio, the studio file, and then let's actually quickly have a look. So this is basically a Python file. I'm just quickly showing you the script, but I'll be actually sharing this file and everything with you guys, so you can actually download and have a play around. So let me quickly move on to the parent folder and have a look at the files. I'm gonna quickly run the add sites to Visio 001.py. Now I press the key right, and then that's actually gonna read the Excel file in the same folder, and it will create 3 different plots. So it's gonna actually start plotting sites and create the Visio diagram, right? So Visio file 1 is operational, second one is Acme site planned, third one is Acme site decommissioned. I want it to be actually saved in the same folder, so I changed the folder names. Okay, so altogether it's gonna create 3 different Visio diagrams, one with the planned, one with the operational, one with the decommissioned. So let's quickly run the Visio the video creation Python script. This will start plotting the routers inside a Visio. So Visio is actually being launched. Okay, this will take maybe 3.5 minutes or 5 minutes depending on your CPU and your computer spec. So I'm gonna quickly make it 10 times the speed and quickly move to 8 minutes and I think around 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, so now we are here. As you can see, there's some video files created. If we open one of the decommissioned one, this will display the decommissioned sites. Okay, so if you have a site propping up and getting decommissioned and closed down, then this will actually help you to keep track of your old sites which have been decommissioned. Alright, so this is the first file that we are checking. So checking California 14 as site, showing decommissioned, as you can see. And here you can see site 14 is actually there, site 24 is there, 26, 28 as well. Go back to the spreadsheet and check it. As you can see, 24, 26 and 28 all are actually decommissioned and properly plotted on the video diagram. The size of the circle represents the number of sites. More sites there are, bigger the circle for the state. You can actually remove it if you don't need it, but I think it's a good reference point. Now, opening up the operational, this will have a lot more lines and sites. So there's a 50 sites represented by 50 circles. Now zooming into California again, there you go. We have a quite number of routers representing each site. The actual names of the icon can be actually controlled if you change the actual the header in the Python script. Okay, so number 1, CA1, 2, 3, 5, all operational, and up to CA number 12. Okay, so we confirm that this has worked as well. Okay, so this is going to actually save you a lot of elbow grease. Imagine you have to do this for 1,000 remote sites. Okay, hopefully this will help you save time and money and resources at work. Okay.